Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this Diophantine equation which looks like similar to Catalan's conjecture, and we are going to find x and y which belongs to integers and which produce the value of 7. So if you want to give it a try, pause the video and try yourself, otherwise keep watching. Now what we'll do, let's write down. We are going to break this 7, break this into 4 plus 3. Why 4 plus 3? So that we can compare both sides and equate them. Okay, so let's do it. 2 to the power x minus 3 to the power y equals to 4 plus 3. Now 2 to the power x minus 3 to the power y equals to 2 square plus 3. Now we can compare 2 to the power and 3's power to themselves. Now let's bring 2 square this side and take this 3 to the power y to that side. Now take out 2 square as common and you will have 2 to the power x minus 2 minus 1. Whereas if you take out 3 as common, you will have 1 plus 3 to the power y minus 1. And now if you compare this, okay, so now let's compare this. This one is always even, 2 square is 4, but this one is a 2 to the power something and 1 is subtracted, so this part must be odd, whereas this is odd, and 1 plus 3 to the power something is going to be even. Okay, now GCD of 2 square and 2 to the power x minus 2 minus 1 is 1, as well as GCD of 3 and 1 plus 3 to the power y minus 1 is also 1, as they are odd and even numbers. So now we can equate them safely. Okay, so let's equate even into even and odd into odd numbers. Okay, so now what we'll get, 2 to the power 2, that is even to even, 4 equals to 1 plus 3 to the power y minus 1. So we are going to have 2 square 1 plus 3 to the power y minus 1 and even to even and odd to odd, that is 2 to the power x minus 2 minus 1 equals to 3, or 3 equals to 2 to the power x minus 2 minus 1. Now let's try to solve it. So first equation, second equation, 4 equals to 1 plus 3 to the power y minus 1, and from here 3 to the power y minus 1 is going to be 3 after subtracting 1, and now this is nothing but power 1. Now equating power to power, we'll get y equals to 2. From the second equation, we have 3 equals to 2 to the power x minus 2 minus 1, or if I simplify, this becomes 4 equals to 2 to the power x minus 2, or 2 square equals to 2 to the power x minus 2. Now equating their power, we'll have 2 equals to x minus 2, or x equals to 4. So as you can see, x equals to 4 and y equals to 2 is our only solution. So as you can see, this is the only solution you got. We have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this question with your friends, and now you can even suggest me a question in my comment section, and you are most welcome. Thank you. Have a nice day.